Now we're going to start building your loyalty system. Fans earn points from the club with every redemption, and they can redeem these points for great rewards or prizes. To create rewards or build a prize draw, you need to build a store first. This is where your fans can pick up rewards or redeem prizes. To create the fan shop, hover over stores in the navigation toolbar and click Add. Here you will enter some basic information like the name of your fan shop. Provide a short description if you like. Add your address. For local clubs, this can be your clubhouse, and for larger clubs, this may be an existing fan shop or merchandise store. Provide your phone number and email, and links to your website and online store. You can upload a fan shop logo and header images for the app and website. If you have already uploaded images to your brand page, these will be used as a default. In the advanced settings, you can set up a referral text, provide more information on your business hours and services. You can also set up who receives reports on your shop's activities, and you can connect your users with other stores. In Bequeath Users, you can select other stores that you would like to automatically connect your users with when they join the fan shop. You also have the ability to restrict access to your fan shop based on age, email address, or other criteria. And finally, you can set up follow-up action. Click Save, and you have now created your fan shop.